How to find your security code in Cash App. Now, maybe you forgot your security code that you use to make transactions. You're trying to find out what your security code is. First of all, you cannot find your security code. What you can do is you can change the PIN or you can reset the PIN if you don't remember it using your mobile or your email address. To do so, tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen. And once you've done that, you can simply scroll under account settings, select the option called security and privacy. Under security and privacy, there you can see the option called security log. And there you'll find the option called change cache pin. And from there, you should be able to follow the on-screen prompts to be able to change that. So this way you should be able to find or change or reset your Cash App security code. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.